Hi everyone, I'm Papa.
Hi, Bruno!
And this is
Bruno!
So how's everyone doing? Today we are here at Animal Kingdom and we are here to check out the new and improved refurbished Rafiki's Planet Watch. So are you ready for this adventure?
Yeah!
Let's go! So here at Animal Kingdom, they are celebrating today's release of the Lion King live action movie. So we are going to try to check out a few things also
look at that.
about what they're doing here for the Lion King. One of the things they're doing is they have a photo op here where you can get your picture taken.
With Royal, and pretend Giant.
Yeah, so you can get your picture taken. All right, so before we head over to Rafiki's Planet Watch, we have stopped over at Pandora and we are about to ride the Navi River Journey. So we'll show you around a little bit. It looks like jelly. Maybe later. Not right this minute. And now we're heading into Africa to go check out Rafiki's Planet Watch. And now it's time to check out the new refurbished Rafiki's Planet Watch. So to be able to get onto Rafiki's Planet Watch, you'll have to take the Wildlife Express.
Look, a firework! A firework!
are heading to Rafiki and watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney character. We are now approaching Conservation Station.
There used to be tamarins here, like a monkey cage. So it looks like they've now made it into these bird stations. And there you are. This is the conservation station. Let's head inside, see what they've changed.
Helps to do a little beading first. Put it out into an almond or a football. That's what. Whether you think food or sports. Does not have to be meat right now, it just has to be light.
So they turned the main area into the animation experience, where you can learn to draw some of your favorite Disney characters.
We're going to do a weird looking musical note type check mark. And what that means is we're going to come down from here.
Looks like they still kept the veterinary clinic, so where you can see them doing actual procedures. They got an MRI, which is kind of cool. So the gift shop is still the same. It's still here. Well, so all in all, it was pretty much the same. Most of it's the same. They changed out a few things. Looks like all the monkeys are gone that they had. There was 2 stations that just have monkeys right before as you come in, and both of those have gone. And looks like they did the animation experience right there in the main room. So the animation thing looked like it was pretty cool. They used to have that at Hollywood Studios, but they had since taken it out once they did the refurb and for the 30th anniversary. So it was really cool that they've put it back somewhere at Disney World. So that's kind of cool. Looks like you do actually need a fast pass to get into it. We had a fast pass. Unfortunately, we did not make it to the park in time. Bruno found his friends from school.
So close. You'll get it. Really close. Together. Boom. Whack. Boom. Whack. Don't play with us. Boom.
Bruno's been measured 3 times now, one at the door, one in the middle, and one right before the truck, and they have confirmed that he is large enough to ride this ride.
Here we come.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds.
Grab the iguanodon and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. We're not gonna make it! We're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
Well, it does look like Bruno is finally old enough and tall enough finally to ride the ride. He's been on it twice now, and was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we were able to accomplish a couple of missions. We went to Rafiki's Planet Watch. How was Rafiki's Planet Watch?
Good.
It was good. So it was nice. It was fun to go see it after it had been closed down for such a long time. But it is now a time for us to go. And like always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see where Bruno has been, please browse the channel. And don't forget to like and comment on where you think Bruno should go next. And we will see what we can do. But for now, this adventure is over.
Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Papa.
Hi, Bruno.
And this is...
Attention. We have encountered a brief delay. Please stay seated in your boat. Your journey through Pandora will resume shortly.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Get down. Life Express. And that will take you to the conservatory. Oh, no. But for now, this adventure is over. Say bye. He's done. All right, everyone, have a great night.